Hello everyone, welcome to Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. And with our great tips, I'm sure you can overcome any maths obstacles that you face in no time at all. Today you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of fraction. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson.
Okay. What is the missing denominator? Anybody know how to do? Can you write the number here? Well, I taught you guys and girls before. So how did the 2 become 8? How did the 2 become 8?
Times 4.
Very good. Times 4. Yes. So if it's times 4 on top, you must do the same thing at the bottom, which is times 4. See, Natalie, very smart. So who wrote 12? Wow. Mr. Leo put 12. Yes? So you all understand? So the answer is 12. Understand? Everybody? All right.
Yes.
If you understand, can I test another one just to make sure before we move on? Test, since you understand, I'm going to ask another one. Leo, do on this side. Okay. Natalie, do on this side. Okay. What number you want, Mr. Leo? Give me a number.
10.
10. Out of don't know. Okay? I don't know what. You fill in this box for me, huh? All right. Is equal to 9. Okay? Natalie, give me a number.
9.
9. Very good. Okay, 9 out of don't know what is equal to 3 out of 10. Okay, everybody write their number. See whether you know or not. The other way round, the other way round. You can do the other way round, Leo. Don't have to divide. You can do the other way round. If you multiply, easy for you, you do multiply. You can do the other way round. Okay, again? Okay, everybody write the answer. Yes, multiply is easier for you, right? Yes, Mr. Leo. Come on, Miss Natalie. Yeah, Mr. Leo got it already. Very good. Because 2 times 5 is 10. So because of that, you also need to times 5 at the bottom, which is 45. Very good. Now, Miss Natalie, your turn.
Okay.
3 how to become 9? Times what? Yeah, so what must do? Very good. Do the same thing that you do on the top. And what we have? Yes, that's the answer. Okay, again? Very good. We move on, Which of the following fraction is in its simplest form? That means you cannot divide anymore. Do you understand? Like people, you I'm not saying that you should get 50, For example, you get 50 out of 100. You know what is it? You have in fraction simplest term is what? You know half? That means half correct and half wrong. Do you know? Because you got 50%. Do you understand what I mean? Don't ask you to score 50, You 50 means half correct, half wrong in the exam. Okay? Half the question correct. Like for example, you have 4 questions out of 8 questions. Right? This one can be simplified further. You divide by 4. You divide by 4 and is equal to half. Can you see now? Natalie, paying attention. This one, you see, wow, don't mean you divide by 50. Not ask you to know 50 times table, but 50 divided by 50 is 1. 100 divided by 50 is 2. Everybody knows that, yes, no? $100 change into $50. How many can you change? 2 pieces of $50. Do you understand? Do you understand? So these are actually half, but they are hidden in big numbers. You can divide them and then you can find half. So which one is not in the simplest form? Do you understand? Like, yeah, like a 2 out of 7, you cannot further divide. It is simplest form already. You understand what I'm saying? Get it? But like 7 out of 14, you can still divide because 7 divided by 7, 14 divided by 7, yeah, is what you do on top, you do below, you still 1 and 2. This one is not the simplest. This is already simplest because we cannot divide anymore. Do you understand? All right, if you understand, find me 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is the simplest? That means cannot divide by anything anymore. Everybody write your answer. Natalie, write your answer here. Okay, what is your answer? 1, 2, or 3, or 4? Cannot divide anymore. Leo, what is your answer? Are you sure, Natalie? 2 cannot be divide? 3 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. Can be divided or not? Example, you see this? 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is what, Natalie? Say it, you're muted. Yes, so 1/3. So this is not the simplest form. You understand? Simplest form means cannot divide anymore. Which one? Leo said 5, 6. You agree with him? Natalie, you agree with him? You don't know? 5, 6. What can further divide? Okay, 210 can divide by anything? 210 can divide by anything? Divide by what on top? Divide by what below? Leo, tell him. Leo say 210 can divide. Further divide by what? 210 can
2.
divide by. Say again.
2.
Yeah, divide by 2. Get it? So 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? Hello? So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is not the simplest form. Natalie, understand not? Okay. So this one, 6 divided by 8 can divided or not? Miss Natalie. You see, like this, divide by 3 on top, divide by 3 below, divide by 2, divide by 2. What you divide? Both must be able to divide, Natalie. So divide by? Leo, tell her.
2.
So divide by 2. Can you see, Natalie? So what is 6 divided by 2, Natalie? 6 divided by 2 is?
3.
Yes. 8 divided by 2 is?
4.
Yes. So this one still can divide. That's why it's not the simplest term. Here is 5 and 6 cannot be divided by anything. Cannot divide by 5 on top. Then 6 cannot divide by 5. Yeah. Cannot. Yes. So it is the simplest form already. So the answer is number 3. Do you understand why? Yes? How come I saw you put a number? Why you throw it away? Can you write it back? Number 3 is the answer. Very good. 3 is the answer, huh? Okay, move on. Okay, test again. Okay? Do you know, okay? Which of these is already in the simplest form, huh? Let me check. 5, 10, 8, 24, 5, over 25, and finally you have 7 and 13. Which one is already in the simplest form? Natalie, write your answer here. Leo, write your answer here. Which one? Natalie, which one cannot be divided anymore? Yes, you understand why? Because now one more time I do it. This one can divide by what? Can divide by what? Yes. So can divide by 2, which is 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 5. Hello.
Yeah.
5 divided by 5, not divided by 2. Okay, okay. Write it again, write it again. 5 divided by what? Yeah, divide by 5, then you get 1. Then bottom also must divide by. Oi, what are you doing? 5 divided by bottom also must divide by. Yes, which is 2. So this is not the simplest form because it still can divide. Get it? Hello? Get it? So 8 divided by 8 is what? Come on. Natalie, Olio, tell me. 8 divided by 8 is?
1,
1. Then 24 divided by 8 is?
3.
3. That's why this is not in the simplest form. These are the simplest form. Cannot divide anymore. Get it? And so on. That's why 7 and 13 cannot be divided. Can see? It's the simplest form already. Get it, Natalie? All right. Which fraction is greater than half? Bigger than half. Who fight with half is bigger than half. So you go and change the same denominator lah. Okay. First is like 2/5 versus half. Come fight. So you change the same denominator. You see who is bigger. Once you found the bigger, then you don't need to do already. So how to compare? This type we need to change the same denominator. That means the number here below. Okay. How to make them the same? Leo, never mind. Don't write me the answer. Let's do this. Come on. How to make the denominator the same so that we can compare? This one must times what? Everybody write? Can anybody write for me? So that we can compare versus half. Okay, this one times what? Make the same denominator. That means bottom must be the same. Come on. 2 and 5. How to make the same bottom to be the same? 10 yes or not? So 5 times 2. Yeah, the other one is 2 times 5. Write the 5 on top as well lah. Okay, Ken? Hello? Yeah, so what is it? Equal to how many? 10? This one equal to how many? 10? 4 out of 5 times 2 is, you must write the 10, 10. See? So 2/5 is actually equal to 4/10. 1 to 5. Put it back lah, Natalie. I haven't finished. I want to use your number to explain faster. Just now? Put it back, Very clever, your Zoom. Put it back lah. 4.
Okay, wait
This. Leo, you understand, right? So 4/10. What is 5? 5 is actually how many 10? You times 5 and see? Yeah, times 5. Times 5. Not times 2. You must times 5. Then on top must times 5. Natalie?
That is 5.
Okay, but you wrote as 2. Okay, so what is it? 5 out of 10. Yes? So who's the winner? Half is actually 5 out of 10. 2/5 is actually 4 out of 10. So who's the winner? Who's the winner? Half is the winner, right? But he said, who is bigger than half? Is 2/5 bigger than half? Natalie, is 2/5 bigger than half? All right. 2/5. Okay. You want the versus half. Natalie, very clever. Natalie written as make the denominator bottom the same times 2 times 2. 2/5 is actually 4/10. And then half, you need to times 5 to make the bottom denominator the same. You got 5/10. So 2/5 cannot win 5 half, right? Because half is 5 out of 10. 2/5 is only 4 out of 10. So it's loser, lose, right? 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 So, but they're looking at which one is more powerful than half. So cannot pick this. Yes? Do you understand? Then since you've done this, you see this 3/10. How to versus half? Half is equal to, according to Natalie, 5/10. Natalie, yes or not? Yes? So this one also lose. Yes or not? I'm looking for who's the winner. Do you understand? So can you continue to see who's the winner? This one versus half, you change the bottom to be the same. This one must times what? You're right. Leo, do number 3. Natalie, do number 4. Okay, again? They're looking for who is greater than half. These two already lose to half. The one lost. The two lost. This one, come on. This one, Leo do. This one, Natalie do. Make the same common denominator. Make the bottom the same. Come on. Times what? So that you can compare. Hey, this one for Leo lah. Natalie, don't write so big. Okay, who is writing so big, so fat, man? You all P3 only. Okay? Write thinner, okay? Come on, Natalie. Times what to make the same? 12. This one no need to times it. Just bottom, Natalie, no need to times because it's already 12. Half times what? 2 times what equal to 12? Here. Make to, this is already 12. No need to do anything. So you need to make to 12. Half is how many 12? Very good, Mr. Leo. Very good. 8.
I think I need to make this thinner.
No need. Okay, 8 out of 14. This one, eh? Natalie, come on. Times what? 2 times what equal 12? 6. Then on top also must times
6.
6 lah, faster lah. So it's 6 out of 12. Is 5/12 win 6/12? They're looking who is greater, who is stronger than half. Is 5? No, loser again. Yes or not? So the answer is actually number. Everybody say it. Say. The answer is number 4.
Oh.
Why 4? 5/12 fight with 6/12. 5/12 win.
Oh.
Right? The answer is number 3. Mr. Leo wrote this. Understand or not? I don't believe you. We don't believe you. Prove to us. Mr. Leo, prove to us. Times 2. Times 2, right? This one times what, Mr. Leo? So 8 out of 14. Half is how much? Make to common denominator? Times what? Times what? Make to 14. This one, make to 14 and we can compare. You don't make to 14, we cannot compare. Times what to make to 14? Times? Mr. Leo, times? You want to do or you want to say it?
7.
7. Then this one? Also must? Say it, Leo?
Times 7.
Yes, so it will be 7 out of 14. Wow, in this case, half is 7/14. This guy is 8/14. So who lose? Finally, the half lost, right? Yes or not? They ask who is bigger than half. So what's the answer? The answer is number. Everybody write your answer. Natalie right here. Leo right the other right. Leo. Yes, the answer is number 3. Understand? Get it? Natalie, understand? Okay, Leo, understand? Huh? Okay, we move on. Sue want to have 4/5 of the figure shaded. Hello? You know it's 4/5? You cut this into 5 parts. How to cut this into 5 parts, girls and boys?
Oops.
There, this is 1/5. Can you see now? Yes? This is 2/5. Can you see now? Can you see? This is 3/5. Can you see? This is 4/5. Can you see? And this is 5/5. The 5th piece. Do you understand, people? So Sue wants 4/5 shaded. That means how many boxes must be shaded? Anybody answer? Natalie, how many boxes she must be shaded to for 4/5? Huh? Can you see? 4/5 is from here to here. Yes or no, Mr. Liu? So how many boxes must be shaded when it's 4/5? Can you count? How many? How many boxes must be shaded when it's 4/5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes must be shaded. Understand? Natalie, understand?
Yes.
Okay, if 8 boxes, is it how many more must she shade? She needs 8 to be shaded. But she already shaded how much? 8 to be shaded. But she already done how many parts? How many are already shaded? Can you see? How many already are shaded? 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So how many more to be shaded? Minus 3 already shaded. So how many more to shade? How many more to shade? How many more to shade? Say it, everyone. Say it together. Natalie, why you put question mark? She wants 4/5 of the figure to be shaded. Here. 4/5 of the figure to be shaded. Okay, again, Natalie? Natalie, okay? She wants 4/5 of the figure to be shaded, Natalie. 4/5 is here. 1/5, okay, here is, can you see why? 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. Understand or not? So 4/5 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many boxes must be shaded, Natalie?
Sorry?
Huh? 4/5 need to, how many boxes should be shaded? Leo? 4/5 need how many boxes to be shaded? Answer these people. 4/5 need how many boxes to be shaded?
5.
5? 5? 1/5 need 2 boxes, right? 2/5 need 4, right? 3/5 need 6, right? And 4/5 need how many? When you want to shade 4/5, how many boxes must be shaded? Still don't know. Say it last, say it. Say it, Natalie. Say it faster, we move on.
8.
8, right? Leo, understand or? But you need 8 to be shaded, but already shaded how many? Already shaded how many? 1, 2, 3. Can you see or not? Then the question is how many more must be shaded? How many more must be shaded? 8 or to be shaded, you already shaded 3. How many more to shade? So what's the answer?
5.
5 more lah. Yeah lah, Natalie. Understand? Leo, understand? 5 more. Okay. So what's the answer? Number 4. Do you understand? Okay, you understand? We move on,
I written 4 there because that was supposed to be 5.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I taught you already this one. So how to make 4, 6 in its simplest form? Just now I show you already, right? Everybody, I literally do here 4, 6 in its simplest form. Leo, do this 4, 6 in its simplest form. Okay, go and write out for me. What is simplest form means you go and divide until you cannot divide. Okay, Natalie 4, 6, Leo 4, 6. What was the next thing we must do? Okay, one must make it to the simplest form. What must we do? Just now I show you already. Leo?
Divide.
Yeah, go and divide. What can you divide by?
2.
Go and divide by 2. Go and write and give me the answer. All right, both of you. I'm not doing for you. So, what is the simplest form? Okay, you divide until you cannot divide. That would be the answer. Two out of 3. Yo, okay. Natalie, no answer? So where's the answer?
Wait, give me 1 minute.
I'll give you a minute. So, Leo, write your answer here. Natalie, write your answer here. Okay, Natalie, finish your working first before you write your answer. 2 out of 3. Then, where to find the answer? Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is it? Very good. Number 2 is the answer. Yeah? Okay, Ken? All right. Understand, right? What is simplest form now? You're all learning fraction today. Get it, All right. Very good. These are called fraction. So now, what is this? How to do? You must make the common denominator. Understand? Then you can go and minus. Leo, understand? So both of you.
Is it the top one minus or the bottom one?
No, you must make the denominator same, then only you can minus, girl. You cannot minus like that. When the denominator is not the same. Yeah, when they are the same, then you use the top minus the top. But now the denominator is not the same. So the denominator means the bottom number. So what must you do? You must make the half to become 12. Get it? So how to make the half to become 12? What must you do? Like just now like that. You must make the half to become 12 so that you can compare. So the half times what? Everybody go and write? Half times what to become 12? Mr. Leo, understand or not? Okay, so I need the half times what to become 12? When I do that, the top also you do the same. 6. Okay, you write. I don't want to write for you. Yeah, wait. Yes. So you see, now you know half is 6 out of 12. Yes or not? So you have 7, 12 minus 6 out of 12. What do you have? Very good, Natalie Hin. 1 out of 12. So where is the answer? You write me the answer. Mr. Leo, you understand? So half is actually 6 out of 12. So you have 7, 12 minus 6 out of 12. So you have 1 out of 12. And where's the answer? Write the answer, Mr. Leo. Number? Mr. Leo, what's the answer? Wait, Mr. Leo, put back your working and show me your answer.
Okay.
Mr. Leo. Yeah, times. Yes, make the denominator same. It will be what? 6 out of 12. Yes. Then you take 7, 12 minus 6, 12 is 112. Very good, Natalie. 112. The answer is number 1. Very good. Get it? Get it, huh? People understand not? Natalie? Okay, Leo, understand, Leo? Huh? Is it?
Yes.
All right. Which one is the greatest fraction? Okay, clear, working? Who is the biggest? Come on, everybody should know, right? Well, you don't know, change all to 8 lah, to compare lah. Half is how many 8? Okay. You change all to yeah, I write for you first, okay? Wait. I copy one for Leo, so Leo can do on the other side. Okay, Leo do on this side, Natalie do on that side. Then you see who is the biggest. All right, okay? All change to 8 lah, then you can compare, right? Because your denominator is 8. Who is the greatest? Who is the biggest? Must have the biggest number on top lah. Times 4. So half is actually 4 out of 8. Okay? Okay. So 1/4 is, what times 12? What 4, 12? Hello, Mr. Leo. Yes, half is 4, 8. 1/4 is how many 8? 2, 8. Okay, Natalie done already. You compare here. Who is the greatest? Write your answer, Natalie. Times 4, Mr. Leo. Okay. Yeah. So 1/4 is 2 out of 8. Yes, not? Yeah, you're right. 2 out of 8. Very good. So you look at it. Half is 4, 8. 1/4 is 2, 8. 3, 8 here. And 5, 8. So who's the winner? Who is the greatest? Who's the greatest? 5, 8. Okay, 5, 8 is which option? Which option is 5, 8? Which option is 5, 8? Number 4. Very good. Get it? Very good. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Okay, anyway, now you all should know what to do now. What must you do? You must make the common denominator and then only add. Yes, not? Get it? Make common denominator, then only add. Okay. So 2/5 and 3/10 must make common in denominator. Yes. So what must we do?
The 5 times 2.
Okay, you do your side lah. Let Leo do this side, and then you add together and find me the answer. Very good. 5 times 2. See, you say never teach, I teach you here. You're so clever. You understand. Make the denominator, that means the bottom number, the same. Then you can do. 2/5 is actually 4/10. Very good, Natalie. See, 4/10. Then what happened to this? You can add now. 7/10. Wow, so clever. Mr. Leo, understand? 7/10. So where's the answer? Number 3. Ding, 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 ding. Correct. Yes? These are fractions you're learning. Understand? Okay, some of you may not have learned in school. I don't care. You learn here. Mr. Leo, agree or not? Yeah, have you learned in school already? Not yet, Very good. So you learn here.
We're not even done with money.
Okay, exactly. So if your school teach, you already know. Right, Natalie? Understand? Did your school teach yet? Natalie, no, Yes or no?
No.
No, then. But now you know your fraction already? Yes. Okay, again. So when your school teach, I expect you to know, then you put up a hand and answer. The teacher say, "Oh, so clever." I haven't teach you know. Why you so clever, Mr. Leo? He asked, Is it your father very clever? Your mother very clever? Or I teach very clever? Then what's the answer?
That tuition teacher very clever.
Oh, thank you very much. Wow, you very smart. You know how to answer. If not, I go to your house and pull your ear. Nah, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm joking with you.
But if my mother never assigned me to go here, then I wouldn't.
Your mother
Why
what?
is my mother very clever?
Yeah, exactly. Her mother very clever because her mother sent her to the tuition center. Mr. Leo, can see? Yeah, I can take any answer. It's okay. Come on. Next one. Can you clear off? Now, very easy, right? Expressed as easy fraction. Yeah, clear. All right. So you all know what to do already. Easy fraction, simplest fraction means divide into the simplest fraction. Yes or no? Okay, give me your answer lah. Both of you should know how to do already. So just divide until cannot divide lah. 12 and 14 inside what times table? Divide by 2. Yes. 2. Yes. Very good. Tang, 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 tang. 6 out of
7.
what? Your 6 is right like that one. Hello, Natalie, your 6 right like that. Ugly. Oh, 6 out of 7 lah. Okay, again. Cannot divide anymore. So this is the simplest. Very good. Wow, he go mark himself. So smart. Okay. All right, do the 6, 9, and we move on. Yeah, great, huh? Wait, girls and boys. I think down there. Wait. Don't do yet. Don't do yet. Let me move it up a little bit because downstairs, no space. Okay, again. All right, go do. Hey, Natalie, you don't need to clear your working just now. You leave it there. Very good. Divide by 3. Yes. On top, you divide by 3. Bottom, you divide by 3. Okay. You must write like that. Okay. Literally both. Don't be lazy. Okay. Leo must say divide by 3 and divide by 3. Don't be lazy. Must write like that. Okay. 2/3. Correct. Very easy. This is called simplest term. Understand? Simplest term means divide until cannot divide. All right, very good. Moving on. Oh, this class very fast, man. Learn a lot.
Write the smallest, smallest ID here. Okay. I shrink it a little bit so that all of you can do. All right. So this part is for Natalie. That part is for you. Yeah, so go and make them all into what? What denominator? Make into the biggest one. Make into what number? Make into what? Make into 8 and then compare. Guys and girls understand? And then you know who is the winner.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Times 2
Yes.
equals 8. Then the sum times 2
Oh, you so clever.
6.
Yes. So 6 out of 8. This is 3 out of 8. This is a loser. Lose, right? This is the small.
Times 4 equals 8.
Yes. Well, Natalie very clever.
Equals 8.
This is 4, 8.
I mean 4.
Then you compare. This is 3, 8. This is what? 6, 8. So who's the biggest? So start with the smallest. Start with the smallest. Who is the smallest?
4.
Start with the smallest. Oh, yes. Start with the smallest.
And then the
Hey.
2.
Half is 4, 8. 4, 8 and 3, 8. Who is bigger? Natalie.
Oh, shoot. The 3.
Oh, you go and change yourself. Okay, Mr. Leo is correct, but you don't write 4, 8, you write half. Okay, again? You write the original number. Is it okay, Mr. Leo? Understand? All right, go. Write everybody. Miss Natalie, you know who's the what? Write the original. Then this one comes here. Yes, no. This one comes here. You write 3/4, you write half, although you convert to check, but when it comes to writing, you must write the original number. Get it? Yeah. Everybody understand? Oh, you're very smart, this guy, And your school haven't learned fraction yet, right? I've not learned fraction, right, Miss Natalie?
Learned it in P2.
P2, this one is P. This one difficult stuff, right? Your P2 is nothing, right? Hello? Miss Natalie, have learned yet? Okay, never teach you. Okay, now, let me see. 3/8, half, and 3/4. Very good. Now, I keep quiet, and you all do this one, part B. Okay, again? Wait, do the same logic. Wait, I make smaller for you first. Come on, clear off your stuff, Miss Natalie. Very clever. Now you got to make them to 12 and compare. You know, okay, and then you write the greatest and all that for me, okay, make to 12. So I give you space. Right? So yeah, I give you space here. Okay, make to 12 and compare. And see who's the winner. But you must start with the greatest, Leo. Can you see? Start with the greatest this time, Wow. This is 8 out of 12. Wow. Yes. Okay, who is the greatest? Who must be the smallest here, okay? So who's the winner? Yes, 2/3. Very good. 2 what? Hey, what you write? Write 2/3. Why you write 8 out of 12? I told you write the original number. Yeah, 2/3 is 8, 12, 7, 12, and 1, 6. Yeah? Leo, understand? Leo is the lion. Singapore lion. Okay? Good. Very good. All right. Express the answer in simplest form. Okay, clear. You add them, but before you add them, you must change the half to the same denominator. Then you can do. Understand? Natalie, clear your working?
Okay.
One is plus, like one is a minus. Okay, I keep quiet, let you all do. You must change to the same denominator. Make the bottom the same before you can do. Yes, Leo, very good. Ding, 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 ding. 3/8 plus 4/8. Do you understand? So how much is it? So what's the final answer? 3/8 plus 4/8. Yes, very good. Thumbs up. Dun, 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 dun. Now you know your fraction is easy as can be. Yeah. Okay, let's see, Natalie. Okay, then you proceed to do the next one. Write a bit smaller. If not, you got no space. Wow, you no space. Okay, Leo, don't put the equal sign. Don't put the equal sign, Leo. Don't put the equal sign. Don't put the equal sign. Yeah. How many 12? That's right. Don't put the equal sign. No space for you. Times 3, right? 3,
3 plus 4 equals 8.
Very good. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Thumbs up. Oh, what a long thumb. Okay, do the next one. Well, give you a little bit of space here. Okay, do the next one, Natalie. Very good. Okay, 3 times 3, 4 times 3, 9, 12. Oh, yes, very good, Mr. Leo. Yeah, very good. See, you all are so smart, man. This class very good.
3 times 3 equals 9.
3 times 3 are faster. Mr. Leo finished already. 9, 12 minus 5, 12 is?
Right.
Yeah, right here. Oh, okay. See, she very good. She write very neatly. I like. Okay. You see, Mr. Leo? She not like you. She write this step very neat. You see? You whack everything in one step, right? You understand? This not supposed to have equal sign here. Can you see? Okay? You're supposed to write another step like what she did there, like this. Still there? Yeah? I don't want to like disturb you just now. I think you should write like what Natalie did. Okay, Ken? You see?
Instead of space,
This
I
is
decided
correct.
to use the
This
original.
is okay. Simply 2, okay? Yes, 4, 12.
I
But
said space, so I decided to
uh-huh,
use the original.
okay, 4, 12, but you all didn't see this. Give your answer in simplest form. Is 4, 12 simplest form? Now, 4, 12 the simplest form? I take out the very good first. Is 4, 12 the simplest form? Not yet, right? Still can divide, right? Okay, what must you divide? Okay, 4, 12 is not the simplest form, huh? Because you see, bam, the answer is it must give in simplest form. You see, simplest form, simplest form, simplest form. Okay, again? Divide by what? You forgot simplest form, ah?
I need to
No need, just right here, lah. Yeah, divide by?
divided by.
Okay, you write the divide yourself, Natalie. I don't want to write for you.
Okay.
Yes, good practice like that. Yes. Yeah.
4 divided by 3. I mean 4 divided by, oh my god. 4 divided by 4.
Mm-hmm.
4 equals.
This is very, 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 very good. Okay? Mr. Liu, understand? You must give in simplest form. Huh? Don't happy, stop there. No. Don't stop here. Don't stop here. I get it? This is not simplest form. Huh? You must make it to this one. Understand? Huh? If not, teacher mark you wrong one. Yes, Miss Natalie, correct. Okay, again? Very, 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 how many V you want? 4, same as Leo or more?
I don't know. Same lah.
Oh, same lah, okay, same lah. If more, then Mr. Leo say, I also want more, I got no space to write.
Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see, do give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, be sure to watch Maths I Can Do.